everyone, I'm back. I don't know if you've done that other video having robots down the which thing to build. Let me rip a mine of it. Never paint it. By the way, I think we told the video not with that other video done though. Please, let me real bit there. Let me bother it though we won't okay, never mind. Alright, so you want me to paint this time, this time, this time, this time, this time, or this time. Tell me, but this video about what I was. I want this. You all know who I'm is. I want Dilsey. I want FDDV. I love him, so funny. But on that, wait, the new video? I don't want that later. Tell me the one that did the new video on my channel. So I in FDDV. I think that do Dilsey, that FDDV. Dive to us. Unbeatable. Dive to him. I'm the type to help them out, so I'll be back now on the at the birthday bus. I'll be dozy jumping. Oh, don't mind this up, Bill. This is the, my YouTube channel because people do not bet YouTube. That's why I look like in there. I'll be back. By the way, guys, I'm on a doctor now. So I was like, this is all the stuff I'm in the middle of. That I'm in the middle of just like get me started. I like, oh, do one button. Oh, do one button. Hate these bezel mounted. Yeah, I'm the way watch this one. But we could be hero dispo one day. So pay attention to that. That's not a movie. Boo. I want Nadado, Batman. Don't my dusty dots. Wee. A Bill, what is a new movie? But yeah, I do not know what that is. So anyway, yeah, you might spam. Guys, when I did mine, I put it either 100% go and oh no, so I want like that was my all real lots that you do and stuff. Got me. Oops, one button. Alright, I read back a bit. I read that up a little bit. By the way, on my little thing that I do thing that Steambot that I do. Tell me is it about emo or why I got a no. Hey, it beeps. I'm back. Oh, come on! With the right movie. Where the mountain, I mean. Unbeatable. Real name is Nathan. No, let me show the one in the video. That'll be back. Alright, guys, if you ever been like Among Us, get Among the real life of Nathan. Let me do it. Alright, I'm back.
I'm so excited for today's video. We played Among Us in real life. The game is super simple. There is 6 crewmates and 2 imposters, but no one knows who the imposters are. If
Tell me if you ever played Among Us.
Then the crewmates win. The crewmates have to work together and figure out who's an imposter and who's not. But if the 2 imposters kill all the crewmates without being spotted, the imposters win.
About to be
there is an imposter among us, and that imposter is the one that's not clicking that subscribe button. So click that subscribe button to not be an imposter and join Unspeakable before he hits 10 million subscribers. Let's roll the video and see who our imposters are. Sus.
That is Dane, the one of the bands. Dynamo. Oh, never mind. That's not Dynamo.